In this video, I'll make an epic drawing for Vexx and surprise him with it, so stay till the end to see his reaction. But first, let me explain where this whole idea came from. So the other day, I was on Instagram and I saw Vexx's tiger doodle and I was like, wow, this has got to be the best art piece I've ever seen. So I decided to draw it. And I know what you're probably thinking, I've no clue how to make doodle art, but I'm pretty good at realism. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. Will I mess it up? I hope not. So let's make the sketch. Okay, now that's ready, and I really like how it turned out, but I'm actually gonna draw on the floor because the paper is just a bit too big for my desk. And as usual, I'm starting with the eye before any other areas. And to color, I'm using a whole bunch of different pencils, but mostly brands like Prismacolor or Faber-Castell. They can really take your art to the next level, so if you haven't got them yet, you should totally get them. Okay, so far this is going great, and I actually think this could be my best artwork yet, so let's just keep working on it. Yeah, I don't think so.
No more Fortnite!
I messed up.
Stupid.
Oh well, I'll just clean it up and start over, because obviously drawing on the floor isn't working for me. Anyways, I just hope I won't lose my mind before I get to finish this.
No.
So at this stage, I made a lot more progress than before, but there's still plenty left. And I also think I should get another cup of coffee, but at the same time, I don't really want to spill it again. This scarred me for life. Next, I'm gonna get one of my fine liners just to add a bit more contrast to those tiger spots. Story time. So when I was recording this video, I posted this drawing on my Insta story and I don't really care about it that much. I didn't even tag Vexx in it or anything, and I just left it and forgot about it. Then the craziest thing happened. So about an hour later, I went back on Instagram and saw that Vexx actually responded to my story, and I was like, what? And as it turned out, one of my followers actually sent it to him, and that's basically how I managed to get his reaction. Okay, it took me a couple hours, but the tiger's body is all done, so it's time for the next part, the doodles. And as far as that goes, I'm trying to make it seem like I know what I'm doing, but I don't know what I'm doing. Just like in any other situation, to be honest. It's taking a bit longer than expected, but let me just add a few more characters and we should be good. Yep, just like that. Now, all that's really left is just to add a couple finishing touches here and there, and we're basically done. Thanks so much for watching, leave a like and subscribe, but also stay till the end to see the final reveal of the drawing and Vexx's reaction. Bye!
So I've just got the final artwork from Matt. So I've seen a small part of it, which was amazing, and now it's the first ever time I'm gonna see the full result. I'm super hyped for this because someone sent this to me and I was like, holy shit. Yo, and even the holographic effect. Oh my, this must have taken so long. Like drawing every single doodle, but then with colored pencils. Can I buy this from you? Damn, this is honestly, like, no cap, I think this is like the best like fan art someone has ever made for me. Like, I hate calling it fan art, but just you know what I mean. Just yeah. Damn, yo, and the UFO, it's kind of like see-through in the fur. Oh, oh baby, shit. God damn. Okay, this is crazy. I don't know what to say. Damn. Well done. Good luck on the YouTube channel, on the Instagram. You're super talented. So you know this. Yeah, I think you can go really far. And you already have done some crazy shit, so yeah, take care, bro.